Hare Krishna, dear devotees.
Hare Krishna, dear devotees.
So, we welcome you all in this talk today, where we will talk about glories of the month of Kartik. Kartik is finally here. We had been waiting for such a long time, and actually, for all the souls who pray to Krishna every single day, every moment is Kartik, because they are fully absorbed in thoughts of the Lord, and they are taking pleasure, or they are in the bliss of engaging in bhakti. So today we are bringing to you stories of the Kartik from Padma Puran, Skand Puran. Lord Krishna has himself described the glories of this month of Kartik. And we understand that Kartik is the best of the months for spiritual progress. So now, like we always do, we'll first offer some prayers. We'll also do Harinam, because most of us are music lovers and we love to hear music, and we sing together when we together come and do as a congregation chanting of the holy names that pleases the Lord and that pleases our hearts. So please join us for the prayers, and don't forget, we have some beautiful stories for you in between. Let us fold our hands and offer the prayers to our gurus, to our acharyas, to the Lordship, and start this talk. Namo Vishnu Pradaya Krishna Bhutale Srimate Bhakti Vedanta Swami Iti Namine Namaste Saraswati Deve Gauravani Pracharine Nirvishesha Shunyavadi Paschatya Deshatarine Om Jnana Timirandasya Jnananjana Shalakaya Chakshurum Militam Yena Tasmai Shri Guruve Namaha Shri Chaitanya Manobhishtam Sthapitam Yena Bhutale Swayam Rupa Kadamayam Dadati Swapadantikam He Krishna Karuna Sindhu Dinabandhu Jagatpate Gopesh Gopika Kanta Radha Kanta Namostute Tapta Kanchana Gaurangi Radhe Vrindavaneshwari Vrishvanu Sute Devi Pranamami Hari Priye Vancha Kalpa Tarubhyascha Kripa Sindhubhya Evacha Patitanam Pavanebhyo Vaishnavebhyo Namo Namah Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur Bhakta Vrinda Hare Krishna 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 Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare. Dear devotees, Kartik month has started. Sharad Purnima marks the beginning of the Kartik month, and I hope all of you have found some moments throughout your day to make little offerings for the Lord. It can be in any form. We all know there are 9 processes of devotional service, and we'll explain.
Yes.
You can, in any of these processes, any of the forms, you can make an offering.
Right. Shamanam Kirtanam Vishnu Smaranam Pada Sevanam Archanam Vandanam Dasyam Sakyam Atma Nivedanam. Shamanam, hearing, Kirtanam, chanting, glorifying the Lord. Smaranam, by remembering the Lord. Who? Lord Vishnu. So Vishnu Tattva, they are all coming from Lord Krishna. So they're non-different. And Pada Sevanam, Lakshmi Devi, she serves the lotus feet. So that's serving the lotus feet of the Lord. Archanam, doing the deity worship. Vandanam, singing prayers. Dasyam, serving the Lord as a servant. And Sankyam, being a friend to the Lord. And Atmanivedana, surrendering everything in the service of the Lord, for the pleasure of the Lord, as Lord desires.
Yeah.
Hare Krishna.
So Krishna is so kind. We have so many choices here.
Yes.
We can serve the Lord in any of these ways, but we are going to mention for your reference here some of the key ways we can serve the Lord in this month. So the Kartik Mass or the Kartik month, and it is also known as Damodar month, and in a while Prabhuji will explain why it's called Damodar month, and it is described in the scriptures as the best among the months. And Krishna says in the Uttarkhand of Padma Puran, of all the plants, the sacred Tulsi is most dear to me. Of all the months, Kartik is most dear. Of all places of pilgrimage, my beloved Dwarka is most dear, and of all days, Ekadashi is most dear to me. So Kartik, it lasts the entire month, in which in this period every day we light lamps to the Lord's ships. And this started on 31st October.
Yes.
And it glorifies Lord Krishna's pastime of being bound by ropes by Mother Yashoda. And observing Vrat or observing this Kartik month in this whole month is glorified in our Purans. You know how? Here it is said, as Satyug is the best of all the ages and the Vedas are the best of scriptures, and as Ganga is the best of rivers, so Kartik is the best of the months and the most dear to the Lord. And this is given in Skand Puran. So now many people observe this Kartik Vrat or this month of austerities, and there are some key activities which we can do throughout the month. 1. Japa. We can chant the holy names of the Lord. This can be done anytime, anywhere, with feelings of love and devotion. Number 2, worship Krishna by offering ghee lamps, flowers, incense, and food offerings. Number 3, practice celibacy. Number 4, worship of Tulsi Devi. Please light next to Tulsi Devi also, because Tulsi is a very dear devotee of Krishna. If we have blessings of Tulsi, we can make significant spiritual progress. And number 5, giving in charity. Number 6, perform austerities. And Srila Prabhupada, he gave a very simple formula for the austerity. We follow 4 regulative principles and we chant japa. And the 4 regulative principles are no meat eating, no gambling, no intoxication, no illicit sex. So, on top of it, we can read Lord Krishna's Leelas. We can read Srimad Bhagavatam. We can read Srimad Bhagavatam, Chaitanya Charitamrit, and several teachings from the Acharyas, and we can stay aligned. Let's all get together to sing some Harinam. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Rama
So we talked about offering lamps to Lord Krishna, to Sri Radha and Krishna, and to Tulsi Maharani. Now, I researched a little bit and found out there are 11 key reasons why we should offer lamp to the Lordships. If one offers a lamp in the month of Kartik, his sins of many thousands and millions of births perish in half an eye blink. Even if there is no mantras, no pious deeds, and no purity, everything becomes perfect when a person offers a lamp during the month of Kartik. And we are going to share a very sweet little story after I have listed these 12 points. So just pay attention why it's so important to light lamp. A person who during the month of Kartik offers a lamp to the Lord Keshav has already performed all yagyas, and yagyas are done for the pleasure of the Lordship, and bathing in the holy rivers. Our ancestors, they have said, when someone in our family pleases Lord Krishna by offering him a lamp during the month of Kartik, then by the mercy of the Lord, who holds the Sudarshan Chakra in his hand, the person who does the offering of lamp, he will attain liberation. And to one who either at home or in temple offers a lamp during the month of Kartik, Lord Vasudev. So you see, we are referring to this month as Kartik or Damodar month, and we are referring to Krishna by all these different names: Keshav, Madhav, Krishna, Vasudev. And by offering a ghee lamp during the month of Kartik, one burns away a collection of sins as big as Mount Meru or Mount Mandara. Of this, there is no doubt. No sins exist anywhere in the three worlds that will not be purified by offering a lamp to Lord Keshav during Kartik. And last 3 reasons why we should offer lamp or the jyot of ghee to the Lordship. A person who offers a lamp to Lord Damodar during Kartik attains the eternal spiritual world where there is no suffering. We are all entangled in the cycle of birth, old age, death and disease. Every now and then there is some suffering, some misery coming across. So we should never forget to take shelter of the Lordship, offer a little ghee lamp, and see all these major transformations in our this cycle of birth and death, old age, disease. We can experience that. So one who offers a steady ghee lamp to the Lord Hari during the month of Kartik enjoys the pastimes in Lord Hari's splendid spiritual world. And the last reason listed here is, of all gifts, the gift of ghee lamp during the month of Kartik is the best. No gift is equal. And the source of all these 12 reasons is Narad Puran, which is a conversation of Shri Mohini Devi and Shri Rukmangada. Okay. Now, about the offering of lamp, there is a beautiful little story of a mouse.
Hare Krishna. So once there was this beautiful princess, and after she got married, she was at her in-laws' place. And during the month of Kartik, she would light thousands of lamps, and she would ask everyone to light lamps. So, she would supply lamps to residents of the kingdom, and she would say, please light the lamps. So everyone was so surprised that, why is she asking to light the lamps? But they were lighting the lamps for the pleasure of the Lordships. And then she was inquired, they came and said, why are you asking? Because on these nights we're seeing millions of lamps being lighted. Then she says, let me share with you the story from my past life. She remembered her past life. Just like Jar Bharat, right? He remembered his past life as a deer and then previous life as Bharat Maharaj. So she said that I remember my past life. In my past life, I used to be a mouse, a female mouse. And so I used to nibble on the ghee that was in the diya. in the lamp.
On the altar?
Yeah, on the altar, when they would extinguish, so there would be some ghee in the wick. So I used to nibble. So I thought that, there was ghee on another lamp, but it had not completely extinguished. It was little, like spark was there. So I went to eat, but what happened? My whisk caught the fire, and it spread that fire to the other part of the wick, where it, started burning very nicely, gently. But what happened was my wick caught on fire. So
Whiskers,
whiskers. They caught on fire, so started jumping in front of the Lordship because of the pain. And while I was jumping, Lordship was so merciful that he accepted that, me dying in front of him while, offering him. And so this, and also being pleased by having lighted the lamp unknowingly, thinking that, I'm trying to eat it, but unknowingly I lighted the lamp. Even by mistake, he became pleased. So he gave me this birth of a princess with all the opulences, with all the great qualities surrounding me, all the great personalities. And I feel so blessed that I want to reciprocate the love that I received, the mercy that I received from the Lordship. And I don't want to just keep it for myself. I want to spread it all around the world. So she's showing that quality of Vaishnavas, that they are not just looking for their own welfare, they're looking for the welfare of the whole humanity. They are looking for the welfare of all the living entities. What to talk about humanities, birds, trees, everyone. Hare Krishna.
So, from this little story, it's very clear. 2-3 points are very clear. Number one, the little mouse was a recipient of Lord's mercy as Agyat Sukriti. And number two, it's totally our free choice, free will, how we want to share Krishna's love with everyone. And she was trying to do by lighting up the lamps, and which inspired several other souls, isn't it? So, please remember, as you make an offering of love by lighting lamps in front of the Lordship, someone else may be watching and getting inspired, and this is how we'll share Krishna's love with them. Please join us for some Harinam. So, in this month of Kartik, one should daily worship Lord Damodar, sing the prayers which are also called Damodar Ashtakam. And these are a group of 8 verses, and these are extremely pleasing to Lord Damodar, and this prayer has been written by sage named Satyavrata. And throughout the entire month of Kartik, one should daily offer ghee lamp to the Lord while singing Damodar Ashtakam. Someone can sing, someone can play instrument, and others can offer the ghee lamp. Srimati Radhika, she is the deity, presiding deity of the holy month of Kartik. And she is also known as Kartika Devi, or in other words, Radhika is the goddess or the presiding deity of the month of Kartik. As I mentioned before, Kartik is the best of the months, and it is in this month that many special festivals take place actually. Some of the special festivals, let me list them for you. Some of them are Bala Ashtami, Deepavali, Govardhan Puja or Go Puja, and Srila Prabhupada's Tirobhav Jayanti Disappearance Day, Shri Krishna Rasyatra, Tulsi Shaligram Viva, and we also observe Radha Kund Appearance Day, Gopashtami. There are so many festivals to look forward to. So, in this month, it's mentioned in Skand Puran that in the month of Damodar, one should daily worship Lord Damodar and take bath early in the morning, give charity and follow a fasting vow. You can see what your body allows, what your life allows, and follow some level of. Krishna says to Arjun, it is mentioned in chapter 18 of Bhagavad Gita that sacrifices, austerities, and charities should never be given up because they purify even the great souls. So, now, in Padma Puran, it's mentioned, O Brahmins, any person who tries to observe a Kartik month without following rules and regulations properly, Lord Krishna remains against them because this month is very pleasing to him. And further it's mentioned in Skand Puran, O son of Nanda, those Brahmins who do not give charity in this month of Kartik, perform sacrifice, chant japa and fast for Lord Hari, they are the lowest of the mankind. Important is to understand for those of us who really feel that, those of us who want to serve the Lordship with love and devotion, we can, become role models. We can make an offering of love, and by seeing us, we don't know, several other souls may be getting inspired. So in this way, we can become instruments of Lord's love to other people, and we can make a prayer for that. And there are specially recommended prayers during this month, and they are called Damodar Ashtakam. Now, we all have been wondering, why is Lord Krishna called Damodar?
So there is a beautiful pastime,
Little
and
louder.
we will be covering this pastime in detail. So here I am just giving you a summary and the essence. So once Mother Yashoda, when she was churning, yogurt to make butter, at that time she was singing Lord Krishna's glories. Hearing her sing with such melodious, with prema, Lord Krishna came to her and showing that he is hungry. So she started feeding Lord Krishna her milk, but the milk which she had kept on the stove started to boil out, committing suicide. So she had to hear, when she heard the sound of the milk burning, coming out of the pot, she left Lord Krishna and to take care of the pot, and Lord Krishna became angry. So he broke the pot that she was churning butter from, and then he went out and jumped on top of a urukula and started stealing butter from another pot and giving it to monkeys and other Gopa boys. And then waiting to see Mother Yashoda. Mother Yashoda, seeing that Krishna, when she came back after taking care of the milk, she came and saw that the pot was broken where she was churning the butter, and then she came out with a stick in her hand, and Lord Krishna, seeing her, ran out. He jumped out from the grinding mortar, and he ran, but Mother Yashoda, who ran even faster, caught him. So Lord Krishna is running in fear. This is real fear Lord Krishna is running in. So that's why it is amazing. And she decides to bind him to the same grinding mortar that he was climbing on to steal butter. However, when she tries to bind him with a rope, the rope always comes short by 2 fingers.
And his belly is called Udar.
Udar.
Here we are getting an
Dam
answer.
is the rope.
Yes.
So she goes and gets more rope, long, many meter long, and then she ties it to this rope, and she tries to bring it around, and then again is short by 2 fingers. Now all the gopis, elderly gopis, they are all watching, and the Gopa boys, they are all watching, and they are all laughing. And Mother Yashoda is perplexed. She is bringing more and more ropes. They are bringing more and more ropes. Every time she ties it to this rope and goes around, it's short by 2 fingers. Now Acharyas explain, what do these 2 finger distance signify? First is our endeavor. We have to serve Lord Krishna with Ussahan Nishaya Dhairya Tat Tat Karam Protana. So Shila Rupa Goswami, he tells us that we have to, with great enthusiasm, with great determination, with patience, we have to engage in devotional service, the 9 processes, following in the footsteps of acharyas in the association of devotees, so that we can, serve the Lord, please Him. So that is our endeavor. And the second one is also very important, causeless mercy of the Lord. So we, once we get the mercy, only then we can bind Him. So Lord Krishna, who's literally in this case crying, so Mother Yashoda immediately kept the stick on the side. And then by Lord's mercy, she is able to bind him. And since that day, we glorify this Leela as Damodar Leela. Hare Krishna. So please join us for some more Kirtan. Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Rama, Hare Rama, Rama Rama, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
Dear friends, dear devotees, please get your bead bags, because after I list some more glories of the holy month of Kartik, we are all going to chant together 108 times Hare Krishna Mahamantra, which has been recommended as the Yug Dharma for this age. So, among all other gopis, Srimati Radharani is the most dear to Lord Krishna. Therefore, in the month of Kartik, one should worship Lord Damodar with Srimati Radharani near him. And this is mentioned in Padma Puran. In the month of Kartik, one should daily worship Lord Damodar and sing Damodar Ashtak, which pleases Lord Damodar. Like this I mentioned before also, but this is referred in Hari Bhakti Vilas also. On the first day of the light part of the month of Kartik, a Vaishnav should certainly worship the topmost servant of Sri Krishna, Sri Govardhan Hill, early in the morning, as it is found in Srimad Bhagavatam, which is mentioned in 10th canto. So there are a lot of references how, staying in a holy place and then performing austerities has innumerable benedictions. Over past several days, Prabhuji explained the verses from Sri Shiksha Ashtakam. Let us take a moment to recollect all the teachings. They were very simple yet beautiful teachings in Sri Shiksha Ashtakam. Sri Shiksha Ashtakam are a group of 8 instructions, and they are prayers in themselves. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.
Can you share Sri Shiksha?
Yes. So again, in Sri Shiksha Ashtakam, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, these are the only 8 verses he provided us. And here, the complete progression in Krishna consciousness is covered. From the start, why should we chant? Right, the 7 blessings. And why we are not able to chant with that great enthusiasm, determination, because of our conditioning, because of our previous karmas, right, fruitive activities that we are engaged in, that we have fallen in this ocean of innocence. And how we should chant, Ranadapi Shunichena, Tarurapi Sahishnuna, being humble, more tolerant than the tree, and ready to give all respect to others, but not expecting any respect for ourselves. In that mood, we can chant. And then continue to do how, but when we make the prayers, what should be our mood? We do not want to ask for anything that causes us to become proud. So we are calling it from that, na dhanam, na janam, na sundarim. Please, my dear Lordship, don't give me any of this. Just give me your unmotivated devotional service. And then we are asking the Lord in prayerful mood that when will I, while chanting your name, start to feel ecstasy in my body, the various ecstatic symptoms, they manifest. And then coming to the next level in how that we start manifesting. So, feeling the ecstasy of the love of Godhead, but it's in the Vipralamba bhav, which is the highest bhav, the bhav of the gopis. And finally, the last verse of Prema Bhakti in the mood of Radharani, Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, when he experiences, saying that even though Lord may embrace me, even though he may trample me, even though he may be so cruel so as not to be visible to my eyes, in that separation, I may be feeling that whole world is like Shunya, but he only and no one else is my Lord. So taking complete shelter of the Lord, that is Prema Bhakti, that is the attainment, the prayojana, the goal of life. Hare Krishna.
Isn't it wonderful? You can have simply very few verses. You won't have to read the entire book, and you can understand like what prayers to offer, in what mood they should be offered, so that we can have the attraction and attachment and absorption while we offer those prayers. At the same time, we develop an understanding while cultivating that mood. What is our relationship with the Lord? What is our goal of these prayers and the bhakti we are doing? So, in a nutshell, if we pick up these Shikshashtakam and we try to understand them deeply, it can bring a tremendous change in the way we make offering to the Lord.
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare
I want to just mention two more points. It's mentioned in Padma Puran. Any person who offers lotus flowers to Lord Narayan, the dearest personality of Lakshmi Devi, in the month of Kartik, Lakshmi Devi resides with him for hundreds of births. We know that lotus is very dear to Goddess Lakshmi, and therefore this mention is there. At the same time, Krishna says in Bhagavad Gita, Patram Pushpam Phalam Toyam, meaning one can offer a leaf, a flower, a fruit. Doesn't matter, but the offering should be made with love. So, does that mean that we eat Chapan Bhog and we offer Krishna little almond? No. Let's try to worship the Lordship to the best of our ability. Let's make a beautiful offering to the Lord, as much we can do, to the best of our abilities. And what is the way to worship Shri Shri Radha Damodar? In Padma Puran it is said, because she is the gopi most dear to Lord Hari. Who is she? Srimati Radharani. Shri Radha should be worshipped along with Lord Damodar during the month of Kartik. And when we chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra, Hare Krishna Mahamantra is a prayer we make an offering to the Lord Krishna through Srimati Radharani. Hare is addressing Srimati Radharani that please engage us in your service. So let us all now get our bead bags and we will chant Hare Krishna Mahamantra. For those of you who do not have beads, please just listen to us or just chant along with us. You will still get tremendously benefited, because Hare Krishna Mahamantra is non-different than Krishna. It is a sound vibration from spiritual world. Golokera Prem Dhan Hari Naam Sankirtan. So, Now we will chant Panchatattva mantra. We first chant Panchatattva mantra always before starting Hare Krishna Mahamantra. Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shivasadi Gaur
Bhakta
Vrinda.
Vrinda.
It should take around 5 to 10 minutes. So please join us. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna,
Hare Ram, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram,
Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna,
Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare, Hare Ram, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare, Hare Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare. Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Ram, Ram Hare Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Ram Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Hare Ram, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Hare Krishna, Krishna Krishna, Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Rama 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Ram Hare 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 Krishna 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 Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Ram Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Hare Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Hare Krishna 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 Hare Ram Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Ram Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Ram Hare Krishna Chaitanya
Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Krishna Hare 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 Ram Ram Hare Krishna Hare Ram Hare Krishna Hare Krishna Hare Jai Shri Krishna Chaitanya Prabhu Nityananda Shri Advaita Gadadhar Shiva Sadhguru Bhaktivinoda Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna. Many of us, we chanted together. We did the japa on the tulsi beads, and for many of us who do not have beads or for whatever reasons, maybe due to attentiveness or other screens or other engagements. Many of you just heard it or could not even hear it and were busy with something else. But all I want to say is, for all of us who either heard or chanted or remembered Lord's pastimes, we can feel it in our heart. In these past 8 to 10 minutes, we experience something quite calming and peaceful. And this is the power of meditation or praying. So, today we talked about the glories of the Kartik month, and it's very evident that we should light lamp, offer prayers, and sing Damodar Ashtakam every day. So after this live session ends, 5 minutes after that, I would request all of you to watch the live of Damodar Ashtakam. We will sing Damodar Ashtakam, which is in Sanskrit, and followed by meaning of those prayers. We will also recite that together. It will be really wonderful if all of you or many of you can join us in these prayers. Why? Because it's very pleasing to Lordships, and we are trying to please the Lord not only in this month but every moment. So, as we bring this session to close today, I want to offer a sincere and humble prayer to Shri Nam Prabhu. Please join me. O Shri Nam Prabhu, O adorable Lord of compassion, all glories to you. My dear Lord Krishna, please give me inner strength to resist the temptation. Please melt my false ego, which is harder than the diamonds. Please help me to understand and always remember your blissful, transcendental pastimes. Please engage my body, mind, and words in your service. This is one prayer from a group of prayers by His Holiness Mahanidhi Swami. I love these prayers because it helps me to get situated in proper consciousness. I hope you like the talk today, and it will be helpful for your attempts or endeavors you try to do to make an offering to the Lord. With this, I wish you all a beautiful day in Krishna consciousness, a successful month in following the austerities or the Vrat of Kartik month. Hare Krishna.
Hare Krishna.